Hi everybody, here's a couple things I've been working on. I recently had made some little, what do you call this? It's kind of mixed media little cards practicing. Had some watercolor and some stamping, and I just made some of these on watercolor paper, and I had several laying around. I didn't know what to do with them, so I thought I would just make a little booklet. I had 4 of them, made a little booklet, and on the back I put some stiffer cardstock as a backing, and I decided to try the Japanese binding or stab binding, and I just recently learned how to do this. It's really very simple, but I just wanted to hook these together, and I'm going to send these to a friend of mine for her birthday. So they're just 4 of these, and they made a nice little booklet. I did another booklet. Now this is also the stab binding, Japanese binding. You can see that I had 9 holes. You can have as many holes as you want. And I did this little booklet with some scrap paper I had around, and I put a little cover on this. I just used some paper that I had. I had some decorative paper. I had this. I made a little pocket, and I put a little envelope and some cards in there. Yeah, it's just a few papers. Here's another pocket. Oh, I had laminated a fish. I put him in there. And the card, just something simple, because I wanted to practice this stab binding. And so I'm going to send these both to my friend for her birthday, and I hope she likes it. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.